Carly, I really want some chocolate right now.
Let me check the candy drawer.
Okay.
Ah, shoot, we don't have any chocolate.
Aw.
I can make you some Reese Cups.
How do you make Reese Cups?
As I said in my 10 things about me, I love Reese Cups, and I normally always have them lying around. But when I don't, I like to make them homemade. I learned this recipe a couple years ago, and me, my friends, and my family have been obsessed with them ever since. I love making homemade Reese Cups because you can customize them, like adding more chocolate, more peanut butter, or even using white chocolate or dark chocolate. Now I'm going to show you how to make homemade Reese Cups. So what you're going to need to make homemade Reese Cups is a mini muffin tin or a regular muffin tin if you want them to be really big, measuring spoons, measuring cups, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, something to mix the filling in, which I'm just going to use this because I find it the easiest, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of crushed graham crackers, and something to crush the graham crackers in, which I'm going to use a plastic bag and this kitchen mallet. And then 1 full bag of any type of chocolate chip. Just wash my hands and put my hair up, and now I'm going to measure out 1 cup of chocolate chips. Pouring the chocolate into a microwave-safe bowl, and I'm going to microwave it for 30-second increments and stir in between until it's all melted. So I've put the chocolate in the microwave 3 times, and I think it's fully melted by now. So now we're going to go ahead and spread it into the muffin tin. I'm going to take about a spoonful of chocolate, and I'm going to make sure it's evenly coating the bottom and the sides of the muffin tin. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this for each one. Now that I've evenly coated each of these with the chocolate, I'm going to go ahead and put them in the freezer for however long it takes to make the filling. While they're freezing in the freezer, I'm going to start on the filling. I'm going to go ahead and measure out 1 cup of peanut butter. Now I'm putting my 1 cup of peanut butter into another microwave-safe bowl. And I'm going to microwave it for 20 seconds so that it makes it easier to stir in the other ingredients because it will be warmer and less sticky like this. And take our warm peanut butter and put it into this cup to mix with the other ingredients for the filling. Now I'm going to pour in my 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Next is the 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to go and crush the graham crackers. The easiest way to crush up your graham crackers would be in a food processor, but I do not have one of those. So I'm just going to go ahead and take 3 graham crackers and put them in a plastic bag. And then I'm going to make sure the bag is closed very tightly. And I'm going to take this mallet and I'm going to start crushing the graham crackers. Now I'm going to take my crushed up graham crackers over the sink and measure out 1/4 cup. So now I'm going to take my graham crackers and pour them in my bowl and mix up all the ingredients. Now that my filling is evenly mixed, I'm going to go ahead and take 2 spoons and scoop up just a little bit, about that much, and spoon it into each cup. This is what they should look like after you've put all the filling in. And now I'm going to measure out another 1 cup of chocolate chips to pour on top of our Reese Cups. Now I'm going to melt this chocolate exactly the same as the way I melted the first cup of chocolate. Now that my chocolate is all melted, I'm going to take a spoonful and I'm just going to spread it over top of that peanut butter, making sure to spread it to all of the edges. And I'm going to do the same for the rest. Now that these are all covered with chocolate, I'm going to go ahead and put them back in the freezer for 20 minutes, and then they are ready to eat. Now that my Reese Cups are frozen, we have to pop them out. Now this is the hard part. I'm just going to go ahead and flip them over and bang them on the table a couple times. Now that our Reese Cups are all done, let's try them.
Mmm, delicious.